Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this Pinterest-inspired, cute-looking kitchen decor, which I customized it by using a combination of wire art and some wood burning. If you want to know how I made this, then please keep watching. I started off with this drawing and I fixed it on the table using some masking tape. You can definitely add more elements to this drawing, but I decided to stick with the inspiration image here. I'm using some Anodized Aluminum Bonsai Training wire in the thickness 2.5 mm for making these different elements. So I'm going to tackle each part as a line drawing so that each element will start and end at the same point. Once I have figured out how I will go about the square pan, I'm going to secure one end of the wire with some masking tape and follow my drawing. When I have reached back to my starting point, I am trying to end this wire work by making a loop and securing it. I'm making sure that I don't bring in new kinks as I'm doing this step. Cut off the extra wire by using a wire cutter and your first element is made. The wire that I am using had a lot of kinks, so I had to straighten them out, for which I am using my rolling pin method. I know you may find it weird, but it definitely helps the purpose and removes the kinks so easily, that too without investing in any fancy wire straightening equipment. If you want to know how to remove kinks with this method, then please check out my very first video of wire art, the link to which you can find by clicking on the top right eye button. Next, I moved on to make the pot, which is made up of two parts, that is the outer body and the inner lid. So I'm starting with the outer part of the pot and follow the image till I reach to the starting point again. Once I am back at the starting point, I am again forming a loop, but this time instead of tying a knot, I am going to follow the line, which is the lid here, again making the loop at the other end and bringing back the wire to the starting point where I will finally wrap around so that it is secure. During this entire process, I made sure that I used sufficient amount of masking tapes and tried to keep the wire free from kinks and folds. Next, I moved on to make the mitten, which was the most easiest one to make. Starting off with the loop part, I again followed the image till I reached the starting point again and finished it with wrapping the wire around so that it remained secure. In the same way, I did the smaller pan and the tongs. Now the basic idea here is to consider each image like a line drawing and find a way so that the point from where you start, you can finish the whole thing too at the same point. If you're able to figure out this neatly, then you can make any patterns or designs with wire. Once I'm done with all the elements, I remove the masking tape and this is how it looked. To hang my wire utensils, I'm going to use the scrap piece of birch plywood. I think this piece is like 18 by 4 inches long. I wrote the word kitchen on it and decided to do some wood burning on it using a soldering iron. Again, if you want to see tips and tricks of how to use a soldering iron for wood burning, then check out my wood burning videos, the link to which I will leave in the end. So please check them out. To hang the entire thing, I decided to drill 2 holes at the either ends of the board and used a scrap piece of wire for hanging. Since this wood piece was looking a bit dull, so I decided to use some food-grade mineral oil used for butcher block to give this piece some color, and to hang the pots and pans on the board, I used these teacup hooks. I really love making this thing because it was not only quick and easy to make, but all the supplies that I have used here are things that I already had. In case you don't want to do wood burning, you can totally paint the board and write on it. You can of course use this piece to decorate that blank wall in your kitchen and add some life to it, or make it into a housewarming gift for your friends and family. Let me know what you think of this quirky little DIY. If you liked it, then show your love by smashing the like button and share your views and feedback in the comment section below. And please share and subscribe if you like DIYing on a budget, and make sure to click the bell so that you know when I upload a video. Thank you so much for joining me. I will talk to you soon. Till then, please take care and stay safe.